One day only exclusive power tool sale. I've got 15% off of 999 different power tools. No matter what power tool you're after, what brand it's by, it's probably on sale. And to get access to it, you will need the link in the description. And then to get the discount, you're going to need to put the code that I'm showing on the screen, Twisted15. Let me show you what you can get into here. So when you click that link, here comes the selections that you can go through. Here's the details here, and yes, it does end tonight, August 20th. You can sort by Milwaukee, DeWalt, Makita, all this. You can go through all your favorite brands there. You can go here. You can go to top sellers. If you don't know what you want to be looking for and you want to see what the top sellers are, sort it that way. Or if you want to just say, hey, I'm a Milwaukee guy, I'm going to go to the Milwaukee stuff and I want to see what they got, you can sort it down even further if you want M12, M18. You see what I'm getting into here. And like I said, there's 999 different items, so there's no way I can cover all of this, but I'm going to scroll through nice and smoothly here, I guess, for you, so you can kind of get an idea of what is on sale. It's a huge array of everything. Everything. So no matter what you're after, in the Milwaukee, DeWalt, Makita, Bosch, Flex line. If it's a power tool, folks, it's probably on sale, and if you want to save money on it, today's probably a good day to do that. Fancy stuff that all the people like the Insider, the die grinders, the small cutoffs, and if you get into the M18 line, you're going to end up seeing the big heavy-hitting stuff, like the nailers, the grinders, the saws. What else we got? You want a big whole hog? You can get a whole hog 15% off. Here's one you could save big on. The more expensive the item, the bigger the savings are going to be. Miter saw, you'd save over $80 on that one right there. And hey, I want to point out that some of these you'll see have a free battery deal attached to it, so you're going to get the free battery plus the 15% off. I'm pretty sure that's the way it's going to work out. I already saw a bunch of Milwaukee stuff. Let's check out the DeWalt stuff for all the guys that go bananas for the DeWalt yellow tools. Alright, I'm just going to scroll down this page here. You know what you're looking at better than I do on this stuff. You'll see this one's got a free battery attached to it. So here's something interesting. This tool is already 35% off. This jigsaw is already 35% off. So if you add that coupon code Twisted15 to this, I'm pretty sure you're going to get 15% off of the 35% off price, if that makes sense. It's tough math. You'll figure it out. Here's 3 tools that come with free starter kit deals. And there's some of them that are already discounted, plus you'll get 15% off on top of that. And heads up, I am recording this a day early on the 19th, so I guess prices and deals are subject to change. I don't know for sure. I guess we'll find out on the 20th. You get 15% off that ratchet with a free battery. I'm not going to go through all the brands. I'm just going to tap on Makita here real quick so you can see what they've got going on. 15% off all this. You see right here on this nailer, they've got a free battery deal connected to it. It's a pre-order, meaning it's a brand new tool, not even out yet, and you can save 15% off of it with that code, and it's got a free battery. That's a heck of a deal. Another free battery deal connected to this one. I'm just going to scroll quick. All right, I've been saying free a lot, so, free plus the 15% off. That's a heck of a deal. So here we are back at Acme's homepage, which will look different for you because I believe this 48-hour sale would be ended by the time you get there, and some of these other things might change. Also, make sure you shop around because they've always got good deals going on. I'll keep scrolling down. Like, some of these might not apply to the 15% off coupon because that's for those 999 different power tools that you can choose from. But you see all these other freebies, promos, 20% off or more on this huge thing. I mean, 20% off of that, that's crazy. All right, so make sure you go to this link that I've got down in the description. Check out the rest of the stuff they've got going on for sale too. Acme is a great brand. They've always helped me out. And who doesn't like saving money when they're buying tools and possibly even getting a free battery with their deal? Hit that link in the description. Let me know what you got.